You need to move this way.
Well, maybe if a chair wasn't there. Right, mustard.
Are you sure
Don't
this is
know
my
what.
spoon?
Yeah, because I just washed mine. Not even sure what this is going to be like or what, but
Do you know, I think we should put mayo on it.
no, because that'll just cool it down, you retard. Mustard's like going to burn.
It's all lumpy.
Look at mine. Mine's got a massive lump in it.
There we are.
Oh,
What does it smell like? I thought you can't have spicy stuff.
I can't. Guaranteed it will
One,
spat back out.
2, 3.
Yeah, I'm getting you back, bitch. Ow! Fuck up!
I'm crying!
Don't do it. It's just burning my face. Don't let me get some fucking water. I need a wee. Where is it? It's not getting out my fucking teeth.
Look at me! I look like a mess. Oh my god, what am I about?